Many people would argue that developing brand new camping gadgets or improving already existing tools is no rocket science. But to be honest, I am way less hard to impress. This video will kick off a mini-series of episodes exploring the latest outdoor innovations, camping gear, and survival accessories by our favorite manufacturers. We will also look at some promising crowdfunding projects that look at our problems from a different perspective and come up with truly ingenious solutions. Subscribe to Must See Tech not to miss the upcoming informative videos, and let's roll! Nomad Kitchen. Designed and built in California, the Nomad Kitchen is a versatile portable unit that requires no tools to be installed, and it can be secured inside your car's trunk with just several straps. It fits a variety of car models, from full-size trucks to compact crossovers and passenger cars. The kitchen has a pull-out construction featuring heavy-duty slide mechanism and locking drawers. The Nomad can support 200 pounds of load, and it has enough space to fit a water tank and a 2-burner stove, while the fuel canister can be secured with a side strap. As standard, the build comes with a built-in stainless steel sink, a drying rack, and a bamboo cutting board. Crua Modus. The Crua team never fails to amaze us with their new innovative products. And now, they're back on Kickstarter with a 6-in-1 camping system that can fit into your bag. The Modus starts with a waterproof base module that integrates a self-inflating air mattress, a pillow, and a zip-on quilt. When air poles are inflated and air mesh is attached, you get yourself a summer tent, which can also turn into a legitimate shelter from weather elements when the Crua fly sheet is paired up. Finally, some of the components could be used separately, doubling their duties. The fly sheet serves as a porch cover or a hammock, and the quilt works as a picnic blanket. Freeway Longhaul. Any camping preparation, whether a short family trip or a long-haul adventure, starts with packing. And the key companion here is a reliable travel bag. Introducing the new Freeway Longhaul duffel by the think tank startup that minimizes typical cons of competitors while maintaining a sufficient level of comfort. The carry-all bag is offered in 2 sizes, 50 and 75 liters. It features adjustable dividers to fit all of your gear and offers either 4 or 8 exterior pockets depending on the chosen size. Apart from the removable padded shoulder strap, the bag can be carried using the grab handles located on all 4 sides. There won't be a better opportunity for you to smash the like button. Do so until it turns blue. Support our channel by shopping on Amazon through our affiliate links, and let's roll! Cnoc telescopic poles. Developed and manufactured out of Portland, Oregon, these telescopic tracking poles are claimed to be the last pair that you will ever buy. Made of carbon fiber, they have minimalistic but durable construction and can be repaired on the spot. The Cnoc consists of 3 segments that are secured with friction quick locks, providing usable length from 28 to 62 inches. The handle grips are made either from EVA foam or compressed fork, both of which are soft and waterproof. The pole tips are carbide and are easy to replace with any standard tips. Additionally, the Cnoc are supplied with left and right marked nylon straps with carbon fiber lining. ICECO iCooler. Previously known for their dual-zone car fridges and heavy-duty freezers, the Hong Kong-based company ICECO is expanding its product range with a new multitasking device. With the power on, the 3-in-1 iCooler can operate as a freezer or a fridge, but when the energy is depleted, it will continue to function as a traditional cooler, keeping your ice cold for 90 hours. This model is weather-resistant, so it is suitable to use in hot climates. Plus, none of the road bumps will affect its operation during traveling, since it withstands 30-degree slants. The iCooler's temperature is between 0 and 50 Fahrenheit, and it can be juiced using a home plug or a carport. Big Six. Big Agnes has long become a household name among campers, and as always, the Colorado-based company strives to strengthen its market position by making their products lighter, more comfortable, and durable. Same is true for the brand's new Big Six chair lineup that features a hubless design with shock-corded pole architecture. It allows for a quick setup and keeps the chair's packed size to 3.5 by 21 inches. With 20 inches off the ground, the Big Six also has a wide 24-inch seat made of 100D Robic lightweight nylon, which is good enough for 300 pounds load capacity. To make you more comfortable, the chair's fabric is additionally enhanced with soft UTS coating. The Big Six is offered as a regular camp chair or a slightly higher armchair with 2 built-in cup holders. Gerber Prybrid Utility. This Oregon-based company has been in business since 1939, making a name for itself for quality knives and solid-state instruments. The new Prybrid Utility Multi-Tool combines the brand's expertise in these two areas into one compact package. Weighing less than 3 ounces, it has 8 different uses, out of which the most important ones are a pry bar, a nail puller, a bottle opener, and a utility knife with a replaceable blade. The Prybrid Utility is really tiny and can be carried in your pocket or a keychain. Big Agnes Log Flume. Specifically designed for greater versatility, the Log Flume allows you to create a dry shelter area by docking it to a tent or two, or by simply attaching it to a car boot or a truck bed. The tent features multiple toggle tensioners to pair it with different tent shapes and sizes. With 100 square feet of floor space, the Log Flume can fit a picnic table underneath. Thanks to its center tarp pole, the model provides 99 inches of headroom, allowing any person to stand inside freely and offering an open-air feel. The center pole also has a lantern hole on top for hanging lights, while the ground-placed webbing frame provides extra structural stability in case of windy days. Survival Stove Head Accessory. Survival cooking gadgets do not get any simpler or more sophisticated than this stove. Instead of carrying a collapsible wood stove, you can simply mount the Survival Stove Head Accessory onto any soup or beans can, effectively turning it into a micro cooktop. Unlike many portable stoves, it can hold small cups or coffee pots. This gadget is made of polished stainless steel, weighs just 2 ounces, and isn't bigger than a pocket knife. One of the plates has a sharp edge, making it a multifunctional unit to cut branches for a fire or open canned food. Finally, the survival stove has an attached carabiner and an optional carrying pouch for the extreme ease of transportation. Which one of the presented new camping gadgets is your favorite? Are there any worthy accessories in this lineup? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Consider shopping on Amazon through our affiliate links in the description to help the channel grow. Subscribe to Must See Tech not to miss the upcoming videos about new camping gadgets. Leave a like, and we'll see you later.